video tutorial are for my beautiful newbies. You know you're new to this tapping thing and you've not connected your wallet to the Hamster Kombat. This is how you do go about it, okay? It's not complicated in any way. So first of all, what you need to do is go to your iOS or Google Play Store and make sure to download tonkeeper, okay? Once you're done downloading tonkeeper, you get registered, okay? Save your seed phrase is also important. Now, once you're done with the registration, okay, all you simply need to do is to create a wallet. All right, so you click at this top here. Okay, as you can see here, I've created several wallets for all these airdrops. Now, what to do to add another wallet is simply click on add wallet below. Okay, try creating a new wallet for each and every airdrop. Do not just jump pack everything there. Now, we want to link our wallet to Hamster Kombat. So just click on create new wallets and you put in your password. Now you can create notification on this or you just leave it late for later. Okay. Now this is where you get to put the name. All right. So I'm just going to put in hamster here. Okay. That is it. Okay. Let me just put in the combat. All right. Now you can change this icon as well by simply putting in a different color. Okay, or you can even put in an emoji, whatever it is here you want to. You can put in different colors. Let me just put this on red and then you can just simply save it. Now you have your Hamster Kombat wallet here. All right, it's that simple. Now the next thing you need to do is to head over to your Hamster Kombat. So when you're here on your Hamster Kombat, you simply click on airdrop where it says airdrop. Then you click the wallet to connect your Ton, and then you click to connect your Ton wallet. All right. Now you can see the available options here. You can choose and toggle through. All right. But I recommend you using tonkeeper, like I said. So you click on tonkeeper. It's going to ask for connection. You click on connect wallet and you put in your passcode. Okay. Or your password. Now it's done. As you can see, the wallet connection has been successful. You can see the wallets here. Now we go back to our tonkeeper to check for the name. Look at it up there. You can see it's still the same wallet that have just been connected. Okay. Now, please, you need to understand something. Even after you've connected your wallet like so, okay, you need to make sure that it's being connected properly in the tonkeeper. Now, how do you know that your wallet is connected to tonkeeper? Okay, so we go back to tonkeeper. All right. This is it. The same place we actually connected and created a Hamster Kombat. Okay. So what you simply need to do is click on settings. All right. Now, when you click on settings, come down to notification and check to see if your hamster is connected for notification. All right. If you see this, then you know that you've done it. You know it's successful. But if you don't see this, you simply have to try again to connect to make sure it is successful. All right. That's all you need to do about this, guys. And that's the 411, guys. You know, pass like that. Share these videos to your friends as well out there so they can know how to go about this tax. This is one important tax. We all know that Hamster Kombat will be launching on the Ton blockchain. So connecting your wallet to Ton will give you an extra boost. And aside that, please, guys, listen. This is not a tax you need to take lightly. This is an important tax. You make sure you connect to tonkeeper. I wouldn't recommend Telegram wallets. You also that people lost a huge amount of money during the Notcoin listing. So many people's account got blocked due to violation of their community rights on Telegram. Telegram banned a lot of people, and once your account is banned, your wallet is banned. Whatever money or funds you have in there, it's gone. So I prefer and I suggest that you download tonkeeper. Get everything in your tonkeeper wallet. That's just it. There is the video, and there you have it, guys. And until next time, see you soon.